Hello, my name is Hritik.
Hi,
I
myself
completed my full stack web
Drishtavani. I
development
have
internship with a
completed my
unified mentor,
internship with
and
Unified
it was a
Mentor as a
very
full
valuable
stack
learning
web
experience
development
for me.
intern. It was a great
During the
learning
internship,
experience.
I worked on
I
six
got to
full
work
stack
on the
projects
projects like
where I learned how
weather
to
app, which
design
uses
user
API
interface,
integration, or student teacher
write
booking
clean
appointments,
JavaScript logic,
which
and
also
integrate
uses Firebase and Cloud
integrated
Firestore. I
backend
had
services using
such a great time
Firebase.
working on this project, which
So in this
makes my
internship,
knowledge or my
this
theoretical knowledge
internship
worked
helped
into the
me
practical ones.
understand real
It
world projects,
improved my
workflow,
skills in HTML,
role-based
CSS,
authentication,
JavaScript,
database
and
design,
also
and
I happened to
deployment
learn new
concepts.
skills
So
like
I
React,
really
Node,
appreciate
and
the
Firebase
guidance and
as well.
structured project
I
provided
had
by
such a
Unified
great time.
Mentor.
Overall, the
So this
mentors in
basically this
Unified Mentor are
internship
so supportive.
significantly
Any doubts can be
improve
solved
my
if I message them or
confidence
call them in
in
any time,
full stack
which was a great thing
web
which makes
development.
every task
So
easier.
thank
Thank
you,
you, Unified Mentor,
Unified
for
Mentor.
giving me this opportunity, and
Hello,
I'll
my name is
recommend to all the
Hritik.
students to gain the
I
work
completed my full stack web
experience
development
and the
internship with a
real life
unified
experience
mentor,
through this.
and
Thank you.
it was a